Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the NINGER bookcase, a tree-shaped, 8-level marvel that's perfect for any room in your home, from the living room to the children's room. This space-saving and foldable bookcase is incredibly easy to install. Just unfold and snap the corners into the base, no extra tools needed. With its sturdy structure and 4 adjustable feet, it stands firm on any surface, even uneven floors, without the need for wall mounting. Measuring 10 inches deep by 20 inches wide and 28 inches high, it's a practical storage solution for books, DVDs, and magazines, ideal for cozy corners and narrow spaces. Not only is it stylish and functional, but it also makes a fantastic gift for friends and family. Crafted from metal, this bookcase is easy to clean with just a damp cloth, and if you need any assistance, our dedicated customer service team is always ready to help. Transform your space with this elegant and practical bookcase, and enjoy the perfect blend of style and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.